Hi everyone, this is Majid, Digital Creation Specialist at One Public Libraries. In today's video, we are going to learn how to go one step forward in making stop-motion videos by removing the background. It will help us to tell a story in different locations, in outer space or under the sea. Let's try it. We talked about stop-motion techniques and apps, as well as green screen techniques, including the importance of lighting in other videos. If you want to know more details, it's better to watch those videos too. They're all available in VPL social media channels on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and on our website. In the first technique, we use the free version of a stop-motion app. Objects must be in front of a green screen or paper. If you add another paper underneath of them, you will get a better result. Open the app and take pictures with small changes in each, the way we've learned before. After finishing this part, export it as a movie. Now it is like a regular video with a green background, and we can open it in any app or video editing software with the green screen option. I'm using Doing app, but it doesn't really matter. Same technique, same result. Pick the image or movie you want as a background in the first layer, or stop motion clip as the second layer, and do the adjustment to get the best result. In the second technique, we use Stop Motion Pro app. It's not free, but it's not very expensive and has both Apple and Android versions. With this app, we can combine two steps in the previous technique together. Just open the app and go to the setting and pick the green screen option. Based on the color of the screen, pick one. Do some adjustment to remove the green background completely. Now you can pick the background you want. You can import it from the device gallery or just use one of the images from the app gallery. Just do the same as you are doing with the stop motion app. Take pictures one after another with a small change in movements. Now this is your turn. Please use your creativity to make your own world. Let other people be familiar with that by posting your videos on social medias. And please remember to share with us by using VPL at home hashtag. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.